Hi guys, welcome to Aussie's group. I'm back with the vocab pop-up and today again I'm going to tell you three idioms. Idioms are something that you can use for speaking. They make a very good impression. They make a lasting impression. Okay, so the first idiom for the day is cost an arm and leg. To cost an arm and leg means it's very expensive. Like for example, I loved the purse, but it costed me an arm and leg. The second is very easy. Go on an extra mile. To go an extra mile definitely means to make an extra effort. For example, the government has to go on an extra mile to reduce the pollution. Okay, the third one is sit on the fence. Now, to sit on the fence means to be undecided. That means that you've not taken a decision. That means to sit on a fence. For example, I haven't thought about the issue yet. I am sitting on the fence right now. Okay, so the three idioms for the day are cost an arm and leg. The second one is go on an extra mile, and the third one is to sit on the fence. I hope this was useful to you. All the best, guys.